Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can record audio on PC for free 2025, and it will be an Audacity tutorial and also it will be a quick tutorial for you guys. So first of all, you just need to be download Audacity on your PC or in your laptop. Once you're done here, you just need to click on this one. Once it completely download, you just need to be install and then search for Audacity in your PC. Then open this one in your computer. Once it will open here, you can see it will be done here. So there you can check all the things here. You can see all the thing and set up all the necessary things. Once you feel that all are slightly done, now you just need to be play this one to complete your record, like record yourself. Just click this one. And now if you talk anything here, like if you're making a video and you are making a voiceover, like today we are going to make on this video, and I hope you will watch the video, and if you found this helpful, please hit the like button. So we make this audio voiceover for us and it already been recorded. So I want to pause this one or I can stop this one. So I will make it pause. So I will click this here. So here you can see our audio already been recorded. So let's play the audio from the beginning. Let's stop this one and now play one. And now if you talk anything here, like if you're making a video and you are making a voiceover, like today we are going to make on this. So here actually you can see our already voice recording has been started. So this way you can record audio on PC for free. So this is completely free. I hope this video learn you so much thing and give you so much knowledge about Audacity. This is the simplest and quickest tutorial I ever made for you guys. So if you think this video was helpful for you, then don't forget to like our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video with an interesting topic again.